Hi everyone, so I got this comment on my nighttime skincare routine video and I thought of sharing a nighttime skincare routine for beginners that targets acne and pigmentation. I will only recommend products that are under ₹500 to keep it affordable. Now I know that affordable is a subjective term, but I have tried and tested these products more than cheaper skincare products, so I will suggest these over cheaper skincare products. Do perform a patch test before trying any new product, so let's get started. The first product is a makeup removing micellar water from Kiro. This part of the video is in collaboration with Kiro. It has active micelles that remove dirt and oil. It clears clogged pores and it's suitable for all skin types, and you can use it around your eyes. In fact, I think that this is an amazing product for removing heavy eye makeup. I use it only when I have to remove glam eye looks that involve glitter or a lot of liner, mascara, etc. This is the perfect on-the-go product for removing makeup. Then we have a makeup removing balm. This is the Plum E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is not under ₹500, but I have an affiliate code with Plum, so you can get a 10% discount, which will make it under ₹500. This is the only cleansing balm that I love using. I went through 2 tubs of this. It doesn't sting eyes and it's a very gentle product. Plus, it gives your skin a beautiful glow once you wash it off. This is a must-have cleansing balm if you like double cleansing and if you give a little bit extra time to your skincare routine. Next, we have a cleanser and face wash. These are for acne-prone skin. If you don't have a problem with fragrance, the Plum Salicylic Acid Foaming Face Wash is a must-try. Salicylic acid is an amazing ingredient to keep acne and breakouts away. If you want something fragrance-free, you can try Minimalist's 2% Salicylic Acid Cleanser. I like both of these equally when it comes to controlling occurrence of acne. These do not strip your skin, they are very gentle cleansers. You also get a little bit of exfoliation if you use these. Next is toner. This is completely optional, but I really love this steam distilled rose water from T&W. A very simple product that can be used by everyone. You can use this before applying a serum. After this, I have the 2% kojic acid serum from the Dermaco. Now, kojic acid is a skin lightening agent, so it can be used for treating hyperpigmentation and dark spots, but a patch test is necessary before you use it all over your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. And if you're using kojic acid for the first time, make sure that the concentration is 1% or 2% at max. Now, this is a very watery serum that does not feel heavy or sticky. If you don't have any skin concerns in general, you can skip a serum completely and move on to the next step. The next step is moisturization. For this, I can only recommend the simple kind to skin light hydrating moisturizer because this can be used by all skin types. It's very lightweight, it does moisturize and it doesn't make your skin look too glowy or oily. If you have dry and dehydrated skin, you can apply facial oil after this, but let's keep this routine simple and end it here. This moisturizer is amazing. I have 2 to 3 bottles of this moisturizer and I really like it. So this is a 6-step skincare routine that you can follow if you have concerns like hyperpigmentation or acne. If you have normal skin, a simple cleanse, tone, moisturize will be enough for a PM routine. During the daytime, you definitely have to protect your skin from the sun, so use a sunscreen. And that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.